my friend's mate20X, but it doesn't turn on. She said if I can fix it, she will give me this phone as a gift. Can you help me to fix this phone?
Yes, okay, let me have a look. Okay, now let's open the phone to have a check what the problem is. So let's use this one. Now set the temperature to 110 degrees. Okay, now let's connect the power supply. Okay, now we can see the power supply and the problem is the CPU not work. Okay, now we can see the CPU has been repaired before. So now we need to reinstall the CPU. Okay, now the CPU has reinstalled. Let's make it to the phone to have a check. Okay, now the phone has repaired. Let's turn on it and test the function. Okay, now the phone is turned on. Oh no, the system doesn't work. Is the flash memory broken? Okay, dear viewers, do you know the reason? Okay, please let me know in the comments.